Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Cooking with Afton. How you guys doing? Well, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I make my Jamaican jerk chicken. My Jamaican jerk chicken was so delicious. I was very hot too. So I'm gonna show you guys step by step how to make this delicious jerk chicken, and I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Give my video a thumbs up, and please subscribe to my channel and click the bell so you guys will be notified whenever I upload a video. Alright, and also I'll leave the link in the description box how to make my red kidney beans cook up and my macaroni salad. Alright, and at the end of the video I'm probably gonna put a picture with all 3 dishes on the plate so you guys can see. Alright, because I did 3 dishes one time. Alright, so let me just show you my ingredients. Okay guys, so this is the ingredients for my jerk chicken. So we have some leg and thighs there, and in here we have some paprika and black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, chili pepper, and some parsley, and we have our jerk seasoning. Also we're going to be using our mustard hot sauce, all-purpose seasoning, chicken seasoning. We're going to be using the Grace Jamaican jerk seasoning, and in here we have some Wiri pepper, shallots, ginger, fine leaf thyme, and some Madrid Man Pork as well. Alright, so the first thing we're going to do is blend up our seasoning. So we're going to blend up our seasoning now. So my seasoning finished blending up. I'm going to take it off. Let me put it so you guys can see what I'm doing here. Let me fix it. Okay. So my seasoning finished blending up, so I'm going to pour all my seasoning into my chicken. Just like this. And then you're going to put in all the other ingredients. You're going to put in your black pepper, your chili powder, onion powder, garlic powder, some paprika, parsley flakes. You're going to put in some all-purpose seasoning, and then we're going to put in some chicken seasoning. We're also going to put in our mustard hot sauce. I always cook with my mustard hot sauce. I'm putting like about a tablespoon. And we're also going to put some jerk seasoning on it. Alright, and we're also going to put this jerk seasoning as well. Just going to put a little bit for now. Alright, 2 tablespoons for now, and then you're going to mix everything together. Alright, we'll be back. Okay guys, so my chicken has been marinated for an hour, but if you want you can leave it overnight as well, but I'm not going to do it overnight because I'm hungry right now. So what you're going to do now is take some butter and put it into your pan like this. Alright, and then you're going to put in your chicken one by one into the pan. Alright, and you're gonna bake it for 45 minutes at first, and then take it out, and then you're gonna put in your sauce, your jerk seasoning sauce on it as well. Okay, so we'll be back in 45 minutes. Okay guys, so it has been half an hour. So what I'm gonna do is turn it over and drain out half of this, drain out the water, and put it back in the oven to bake for another half an hour. We'll be back. Okay guys, so I took the chicken out of the oven, so I'm gonna pour my jerk's seasoning on top of it, just like this, and then I'm gonna spread it. Yeah, I'm gonna spread it and let it go all over. All right. Make sure you get all the creases, everything, because this is a spicy jerk chicken. All right. So when you finish now, you're gonna turn them over. You're gonna turn it over. I'm gonna turn it over and put this. I'm gonna put the jerk seasoning on this side now. All right. And then you're gonna put it back into the You're gonna spread it all over. This is gonna be so delicious, guys. So delicious. And then you're gonna put it back into the oven for another 15 minutes. And the chicken will all be finished. Alright? So we'll be back. Okay guys, so my jerk chicken finished. So I'm gonna place it and let you guys see the end result.